It's Saturday, September 17th. Here's a quick update on Project Risky Business. So on Friday, 2 parts came in. This box is from Crutchfield, and it contains all of the components I need for the Blaupunk Bremen retro radio we're going to put in the console. Just unboxing it now, make sure I got all the components that they said I needed to install this. This is a future project. We've got many more things coming up, but wanted to just give that a little bit of a teaser. Here's a shot of the radio in the box, and you can see it in there. So more to come on that in the coming weeks. The next part, a key component, is I call it the undershifter tray. I ordered this on Wednesday. It came on Friday from eBay. The part is what the seller described. Great condition, no broken tabs or anything, so that will fit nicely underneath the existing shift mechanism. Here I am making sure it fits in under the console. So we're in good shape there. Now here I am. I'm going to show you how I'm steam cleaning, how I'm removing all of the gummy residue from the original leather that was pulled off last week. This is a very slow process, so I figured I'd show a quick update on the video because I'll be spending the balance of the morning heating this glue up using 3M adhesive solvent to break it up, and then old-fashioned elbow grease to rub away the glue. There you can see I've got a scrub pad on the steam cleaner, and you're going to start to see it break away here. And I'm using my trusty tub of towels. There's a great shot of it. You see it's really breaking up now. What I want to get this part to look like is entirely black vinyl. I want to have a very nice finish. Trying to use as little of that as I can. So those 3 things: 3M adhesive remover solvent, steam to heat up the glue and activate it, or activate the solvent, and then tub of towel to use as a scrubber to pull that off. And it's just going to be a slow go here for the balance of the day to get that cleaned up. So thanks for watching. The next video will be me putting the new skin on the console. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.